Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Classes. We are going to solve probability exercise 16.1 class 11th. In each of the following exercise 1 to 7, describe the sample space for the indicated experiment. So the first question is, a coin is tossed 3 times. So our solution is, for the sample space, when coin is tossed 3 times, then we may have 3 heads, 1 head, 2 tail, 2 head, 1 tail, 3 tail, and so on. So we write the sample space like this. The 3 head is denoted by 3H. Then 2 head and tail. The first toss gives the head, second toss gives the head, and the third toss gives the tail. Then first toss gives the head, second toss gives the tail, and third toss gives the head. Then first toss gives the tail, second toss gives the head, third toss gives the head. In next sample point, the first toss gives the head, second toss gives the tail, third toss gives the tail. Then first toss gives the tail, second gives the head, and third gives the tail. In the next sample point, the first toss gives the tail, second gives the tail, and third gives the head. And next sample point is, the first gives the tail, second also gives the tail, and third gives the tail. So this way is our total sample space, and these are our sample points: HHH, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, and TTT. Question second, a die is thrown 2 times. So we have to write the sample space for when a die is thrown for 2 times. So we proceed like this. When we throw the die for 2 times, then our sample space will be 1 comes in the first throw and again 1 comes in the second throw. Then 1 comes in the first throw and 2 comes in the second throw. Then 1 comes in the first throw and 3 comes in the second throw. This way we can get all the sample points. Those are 1 1, 1 2, 1 3, 1 4, 1 5, 1 6. Then 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4, 2 5, 2 6. Then 3 1, 3 2, 3 3, 3 4, 3 5, 3 6. Then 4 1, 4 2, 4 3, 4 4, 4 5, 4 6. Then 5 1, 5 2, 5 3, 5 4, 5 5, 5 6. Then 6 1, 6 2, 6 3, 6 4, 6 5, and 6 6. So total number of the sample points are, or the element in the sample space is 36. Question 3. A coin is tossed 4 times. Then our sample space will be, when we toss a coin for 4 times, then first toss may give head or tail, second toss may give head or tail, third toss may give head or tail, and fourth toss may give head or tail. So if we note down the total sample space and sample points, then that can be noted like this. If all head comes, then it will be H, 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 H. So there will be all heads. Then 3 heads and 1 in last toss there is a tail. Then in first two there is a head, in third toss there is a tail, and then again in fourth toss there is a head. Then in first there is a head, in second toss there is a tail, in third there is a head, in fourth there is a head. In the first toss there is a tail, then in second there is a head, in third there is a head, and in fourth there is a head. Then in first there is a head, in second there is a head, in third there is a tail, in fourth there is a tail. Then in first there is a head, in second there is a tail, in third there is a head, and in fourth there is a tail. Then in first there is a head, in second there is a tail, in third there is a tail, and in fourth there is a head. Then in first there is a tail, then in second there is a head, in third there is a tail, and in fourth there is a head. Then in first there is a tail, in second there is a head, in third there is a head, and in fourth there is a tail. Then in first there is a tail, in second there is a tail, in third there is a head, in fourth there is a head. Then in first there is a head, in second there is a tail, in third there is a tail, in fourth there is a tail. Then in first there is a tail, in second there is a head, in third there is a tail, in fourth there is a tail. Then in first there is a tail, in second there is a tail, in third there is a head, and in fourth there is a tail. Then in first there is a tail, in second there is a tail, in third there is a tail, and in fourth there is a head. Then in first there is a tail, in second there is a tail, in third there is a tail, and then in fourth there is a tail. So this way we have all the sample points and we have the total sample space. And there are total 16 sample points. And so this is our sample space for a coin is tossed for 4 times. Then we will get these type of results, and these are our sample points and sample space. Question 4. A coin is tossed and a die is thrown. So when we toss a coin, there will be 2 outcomes, head and tail, and a die is thrown, then we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 outcomes from all 6 faces of the die. So our sample space in this case will be head in coin and 1 in die, head in coin and 2 in die, head in coin and 3 in die, head in coin and 4 in die, head in coin and 5 in die, head in coin and 6 in die, then tail in coin and 1 in die, tail in coin and 2 in die, tail in coin and 3 in die, tail in coin and 4 in die, tail in coin and 5 in die, and tail in coin and 6 in die. So this will be our total sample space, and there will be 12 sample points or 12 elements in this sample space. Question 5. A coin is tossed and then a die is rolled only in case a head is shown on the coin. So our sample space in this case will be, when we toss a coin and there will be 2 outcomes, a tail and a head. If tail comes, then we write the tail in our sample space, and then when head comes, then we'll have to throw a die, and there will be 6 outcomes on the upper face of the die, which are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we write when head is there in the toss, then we get either 1 in the die, or 2 in the die, or 3 in the die, or 4 in the die, or 5 in the die, or 6 in the die. So we write H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. So these will be our sample points, and these are our elements in the sample space: T, H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. So this way, when a coin is tossed, there will be these outcomes. Question 6. 2 boys and 2 girls are in room X, and 1 boy and 3 girls in room Y. Specify the sample space for the experiment in which a room is selected and then a person. So our sample space will be like this. We can select room X or room Y, and we can select any of the 4 persons: boy 1, boy 2, girl 1, girl 2. And if we go to room Y, then we can select the boy or any of the 3 girls. So we name the girls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And similarly, we number the boys as boy 1, boy 2, and boy 3. So if we go in room X and can select any of these 4, then room X, boy 1, room X, boy 2, room X, girl 1, room X, girl 2. Then we can go to room Y, boy 3, room Y, girl 3, room Y, girl 4, room Y, girl 5. This is the total sample space, and these are our sample points: room X, boy 1, room X, boy 2, room X, girl 1, room X, girl 2, room Y, boy 3, room Y, girl 3, room Y, girl 4, room Y, girl 5. Question 7. 1 die of red color, 1 die of white color, and 1 of blue color are placed in a bag. 1 die is selected at random and rolled. Its color and the number on its uppermost face is noted. Describe the sample space. So our solution to this question is like this. There are 3 dice: red, white, and blue. We denote them by red by R, white by W, and blue by B. And when it is rolled, then outcomes are from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the 6 outcomes, and we note the sample space like this. When red die is taken out at random, then on rolling any number may come. So we write like this: red die 1, red die 2, red die and the number on the upper face is 2, red die and the number in the upper face is 3, red die and the number on the upper face is 4, red die and the number on the upper face is 5, and red die, the number on the upper face is 6. And if white is drawn, then again all these 6 outcomes will be there. So W will be the white die and number on the upper face is 1. W and number on the upper face is 2. White die W and number on the upper face is 3. White die W and number on the upper face is 4. white die W and number on the upper face is 5. White die and number on the upper face is 6. Then blue die number on the upper face is 1. Blue die number on the upper face is 2. Blue die number on the upper face is 3. Blue die and number on the upper face is 4. Blue die number on the upper face is 5. And blue die on number on the upper face is 6. So this is our total sample space. Here completes this video. Please like, share and subscribe to this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.